Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you the easiest way to take the hardtop off your Jeep Wrangler. So if you're anything like me and don't really have any friends and need to pull your hardtop off so you can go enjoy a nice day, today we're checking out this Lange Hoist-A-Cart. This is going to work on your 2-door and 4-door Jeep Wrangler. It's pretty simple to get underneath there and pull it up, and then you have a nice area to store your hardtop without straining your back or getting it off by hand. Now today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to pull off the JL hardtop. This is going to work for any other Jeep hardtop that you have. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get this Lange Hoist-A-Cart underneath our Jeep. As you can see, the legs are extended, and we're going to need to get this section over the center of the hardtop, and then this back section is going to hook right underneath where the glass goes. So let's get it slid into place. So we're actually going to pick up the hardtop a little bit, that way we can wrap this underneath and use the provided hardware to make sure it stays attached to our hardtop and it won't slip off. I'm just going to pick the hardtop up a little bit, put a rag underneath there, that way it doesn't fall on me while I'm working underneath it. Then get this slid right underneath, put the hardware into it. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you tighten up the stabilization post here, that way when you pick up your hardtop it doesn't bow the center. Plus it gives it a much more sturdy way to pick it up. Simply twist it to the right and you'll feel it pick up a little bit. You don't need to go crazy on it, just so it's getting some of the weight off. Now ready to get our hardtop off. With everything properly attached, we can now use this mechanical winch, turn it clockwise to go up, and if you want to, you can actually pull off the handle, use a 3/4 inch socket and use a drill on this. It's much quicker, but just be careful with it as it goes up very fast as well as down. So let's get this thing pulled off. Now as you can see here, the hardtop is a little bit off balance, and that's honestly my fault. We use this on our yellow Jeep as well as some of the other JKs that we have with hardtops, so it's set up on the top for that. Now with your JL, if you're going to use this only for a JL Wrangler, you can go up top and adjust the straps as well as crimp those a little bit differently. That way it picks up nice and even for you. This is still going to do the job perfectly fine, but you can get it much more even if you adjust those straps and recrimp the steel up there. But since we use it on a lot of Jeeps, we're going to leave it like this, get the hardtop off. Let's get this hardtop off, pull it out a little bit, that way we can get our tailgate closed, and then pull it straight back and get it off our Jeep. As you can see, it's pulled off our Jeep. Now we can properly store it. The hardtop is properly off of our JL Wrangler, and as you just saw, it was really simple to get it off of our Jeep. Plus, it only took just me. It took one person to get this thing off. You can do this in your garage or any place where you want to take your Jeep's hardtop off. Now, this Lange Hoist-A-Cart is available right here at cjponyparts.com, as well as many other great storage solutions for your hardtop as well as your doors. Make sure to check out CJ Off-Road on YouTube and stay tuned for more videos like this.